So now the last piece, how Jeff gets to do the fun stuff here.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah. So when we talked about designing the Timberline Center and in our headquarters, we did a lot of touring around the country and looked at a lot of buildings. And the thing that really struck Jim and I was open space, friendly space, welcoming space, and a couple of those facilities that we toured had just one more thing that made it really special, and that thing was a mascot. So I'm going to have Gabe come up with Timber. Timber is a Bernese Mountain Doodle. She is the Timberline Bank mascot. Timber will be living right here at our headquarters. Probably the cutest thing in the world. She's going to live right here. FCI is going to build Timber's house, which is going to be a replica of our building. It's going to be located right here in the lobby, and she is going to live right here with us. So I think it's safe to say that she's a scene stealer. We want people to enjoy her and know that she's part of our team. So
she's going to have her own web page, her Instagram page, advertising. She'll be available for events. This dog hit the jackpot.
This dog hit the jackpot.
Come meet her.
Please come meet her. Please get your goodie bags and welcome. I think we're all part of something really special here. So I'm so glad this team is part of it.